into the whole aesthetic salon thing before that was even a thing. Like, y'all used to wear your all black, have the soft music playing.
Not a game. I remember Aunt Soph was like, if you don't come with your A game, don't come at all.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Harris, and I'm the creative and co-creator of 1212. We got Eb here. She's in McDonough, Georgia. And what do you specialize in, Eb?
Healthy hair care. Like,
period.
I want hair to be healthy. I want their hair to flourish. So,
period. That's it, and that's all. But she do a variety of styles like micro links, tape-ins. Do you use sew-ins? No sew-ins, but that's the extent of extensions. Anyway, she also has biotin hair vitamins and sells to her clients to promote healthy hair growth. Before we get into all that, we have her here with her model, and we're going to walk through the process of her using 1212 on her model. And we just really want to display like 1212 being used on all hair types with a variety of stylists, and just showing that you can use the same product and produce the same result. So we're gonna get into it. Stay tuned, y'all.
Hi everybody, I'm Ebony Lewis and I'm here with my model. I just want to give you a little background about who I am. I am a licensed cosmetologist. I've been doing hair for 22 plus years. I am the co-owner and CEO of Hair Fuel, which is a multivitamin for focus on hair, skin, and nails. Today, I'm going to be using 1212, which I am an ambassador for their company. I've been using their products for let's just get to the bottom of it. I've been using it since the beginning. Like, since they dropped it, that's how long I've been using it. I have my model / client / friend, and she is going to be getting the works. And so normally my first time clients, they get the works because of life, but we just take her tape-ins out and we want to make sure we give her the works. And so we're going to start today with a mud mask treatment. We're going to actually scale her scalp because it's a little flaky. We're going to go in after the mud mask and we're going to do a hydrating shampoo and a steam treatment with the conditioner. And so we're doing this because she's had her tape-ins for about 12 weeks. With the elements of the world and sweat and working out and oils, she needs to get all of those toxins off her hair. And what better way to do it than with our mud mask from 1212. And so just join along with us as we journey with this amazing experience when it comes to the shampoo. And I feel like shampoo and conditioner sets the tone for a healthy scalp, but the finished product. I'm here as an educator or just informing people on how important it is to take care of your natural hair, how important it is to make sure your scalp is clean, your hair feels lightweight, to get you that nice and polished look. And so just come along with us as we move forward in enhancing this beautiful head of hair.
So what are you doing right here?
I'm just scaling the scalp. I'm lifting up, I guess you would say, because she doesn't have dandruff. She has like just dry scalp, and mainly that comes from like sweat. She works out and things like that. So just getting it up, because if you don't, you go ahead and put water on it. Sometimes it makes the scalp milky. Oh, okay. Once the scalp get milky, then it's like we got to do extra scrubbing. But if you lift this up prior to, you get a good, nice, clean canvas.
And you do this to all your clients?
All my clients. Okay. This is a part of the experience.
Okay, so it's not a separate thing?
No. Most clients don't know that they need this.
Need a scalp scale?
No. Most of them just shampoo their hair at home and go ahead and put the water in. Just start washing their hair. This is one of the reasons why people, when they start blow drying, they see a lot of flakes on their clothes and their cape, and that's because they don't properly get the scalp clean first.
Do you think the product contributes or helps to prevent dry scalp?
Oh, most definitely. I've seen my clients with, and I'm gonna put the quotation marks, the psoriasis, and they bring those different shampoos, needing to use those shampoos, and I'm like, we're not using that And they're like, well, I have psoriasis or I have dermatitis. And I'm like, no, you really don't. You know, you just have dry scalp. And a lot of times it's just buildup on the scalp. The scalp is smothered. The different products, the different products that people are using. And they're just piling the products on because they feel like their hair and their scalp is dry. And it's like, but it's not.
And that's why I think the mud mask is so important too.
So important.
It helps to lift a lot of that old product buildup.
Yep.
So eventually you see a difference in your scalp over time.
Over time. It's a prerequisite. The mud mask is a prerequisite for my first time clients because I don't know exactly, you know, what you've been using on your hair. So I want to make sure that, you know, you get the look that you're coming to me for from social media, because that's what most of my clients find. How I feel?
Good.
It don't hurt her, dear?
No.
Oh, that's good. Because sometimes it can appear that we're being rough, but clients love it. They love how you attack their hair and scalp. It makes it feel like you know what you're doing.
Yep. And you're not gonna get this dry scalp. It's not gonna come up if you don't go at it. So, and some people, they have it more in certain areas than other areas. Like right in the top, I have clients that is extremely dry in the top, like super duper flaky in the top. And that's because that's where you sweat. It's like your natural headband. It's just, that's where it catches. So after this, we're gonna head to the shampoo bowl, and I'm going to use the clarifying or the cleansing shampoo. And I say clarifying, not because it's a clarifying shampoo, but it's an extremely cleansing shampoo. Like, prior to starting with your products, I used to use a clarifying shampoo before I would even think about putting shampoo on a person's head. And now I don't have to do that. I don't have to do anything like prepping the hair to receive the shampoo. It's definitely going to give the lather, is going to clean the hair the way that it should. So the reason that you don't get a lather is because you're not properly saturating the hair. A lot of times people are just wetting their hair down in the shower and just running it through really, really quick. At the shampoo bowl, my shampoo is a 30 to 40 minute process. 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes is just me wetting the hair down. Now with her having all of these oils and her having to take for so long, her hair has built up a blockage. Like the water is like it's a repellent. So the water is just gonna fall off. So in order for you to get a good lather, you have to properly hydrate the hair. If you don't hydrate the hair, you're gonna use way too much. You're gonna waste product because the product is not gonna seep in.
And you hydrate your hair with water because that is the source.
That's the source. So, and then after that, I'm gonna apply the mud mask first.
Yeah,
I'm sorry. The mud mask. I'm gonna focus on her scalp and work my way from the roots to the end, so that way we can get that buildup from the tape that was inside, and work our way to the ends. So I always start with room temperature to warm water. And I start with warm water because it's important to open up the pores, the cuticles of the hair. And I'm gonna tell you at the end why. I start with warm water. My client's density is medium. Her porosity is, she has 2 different textures or 2 different porosities in her hair. So in the front is high porosity, and in the middle is, I think it's pretty normal porosity. So right now I'm just gonna let her mud mask sit on for about 15 minutes. What it's gonna do is gonna pull out the toxins. And so she's gonna just relax here and we'll be back. So I basically put 12-12 shampoo inside of the tint bottle so that I can get down into the scalp. Sometimes with thicker hair, it's harder to get the product down into the scalp. Get it all down in there to get a good lather. So now we're about to start the conditioning process, and as you can see, the steam is already hot and ready. So I use this much to start with. Let me just tell you about this conditioner. When I tell you it softens the hair, makes it so manageable, I mean, I just swear by it. I use the mint scent, and so like the shampoo, it gives that tingly feel, but the conditioner does the same thing. You see how easy I'm getting through it, like through her hair. All my clients get a scalp massage, an intense scalp massage while they're getting their steam treatment. Of course, we're gonna let this sit on for a little while and get some good hydration going in her hair. You've been running circles, circles, circles in my head. I'm trying to learn to let go, let go, let go. So now we're about to spray on the hair mist, and we're going to not oversaturate it, but we're going to get it in each section. As you can see, I have her sectioned off in 2 sections. This is my second favorite part, and it's because this right here can serve as a number of things. For now, we're putting this on as a detangler and a heat protectant, but when I spray it on myself, I spray it every day in my locks. And then I have clients that come in and they have like buildup from braids. They need this. Like before you shampoo your hair, you need this. You need to put this on your hairline, especially with those little knots that you got. Spray that up there and then you start combing it out. But this is a lifesaver. It's a game changer.
Dear, how long have you been coming to Eb?
I've been coming to her since it's September.
Okay, September. What made you choose Ebony?
I was trying to find a stylist that could help, I guess, heal some of the damages that other people have caused, because I don't really do my hair at home by myself. So I was like hashtagging healthy hairstylist, and she was one of the ones that popped up.
Right.
So I was like following her page for a bit just to see.
It's the content.
It's the content.
Yes.
Just the work looked good. She seemed like nice. You know, you can feel like you can feel the vibe. She was showing herself. So I was just like, oh, I'm gonna try it out.
And it's been history.
Ever since,
yeah. And what are the things that you love most about being serviced at Meamoure Styles?
Ebony is professional, down to earth. Like you get strawberries and grapes.
Yes, I've seen it in sparkling water and everything.
Exactly. So it's chill, but you also you can talk to her about anything. It just feels comfortable.
Okay. And
you know your hair is gonna be healthy afterwards.
Exactly, because she does invest in great products. How your hair and scalp feeling now?
It feels soothing. It feels clean, but not stripped. It feels just like air is blowing on it.
Oh my God, like it just feels free. Like,
free.
Yes. Clients said they feel like you said, my scalp can breathe. So I know how you feel.
It was clogged before.
No, seriously, and it happens. So I'm glad you you know, start coming to Ebb. I'm glad you like the products. We're gonna start trying, right? This is my favorite part.
You and me, we were made for the breakup. At least that's what you told me. At least that's what you told me. But you've been running circles, circles, circles in my head. I'm trying to learn to let go, let go, let go. You've been running circles, circles, circles in my head. I'm trying to learn to let go, let go, let go.
It's given. So this concludes our silk press and deluxe. You can find me on Meamoure Styles. It's at MEAMOURESTYLES. That's on Instagram.
You've been running circles, circles, circles in my head. I'm trying to learn to let go.